started on this project because we come down here in the summer during the hot months. We actually sleep down here because it's just far too hot upstairs. And we wanted to spruce up this bedroom. It was kind of this boring blue color. It was fine. There was nothing wrong with the color, but it was kind of just like this blah space that we were spending, half the year down here. We wanted to bring some color into the house. When we first moved into this house, it was sort of like a kaleidoscope of, pinks and yellows and greens and purples. And so the first thing that we did to really sort of make the space feel like our own is we actually painted the whole house white. And that was good to create a blank slate for the house to sort of make it start feeling like it's our own. But I've kind of gotten a little sick of white. So this seemed like a really good room to kind of start, bring in some color in. I wanted to accomplish something that was cozy, something that was a little bit more elegant, so I took inspiration from old English manor houses, and I wanted something that was really warm and inviting. Basements can oftentimes be a little sort of cold and dungeony and, not a nice place to be, and that's something I wanted to combat with this room. I'm so excited to show you the final product of this room. We learned a lot of new skills with this project. I've never put on baseboards before, I've never done caulking before, I've never done window trim before. And so this project just taught us a lot about, things we want to do in the rest of our house. I'm super excited how this room turned out. It's warm and cozy, and I hope that it's super inviting to any guests that we have in the future. Now, if you liked this renovation, stay tuned. Our next project is also in the basement. We want to turn one of our extra rooms into the cinema room of our dreams. So stay tuned for that.